this is Kevin. It's me again. Another bathroom. I want to show you a nice bathroom that we just recently remodeled. Okay, I'm going to go over some of the details of it. This bathroom, we have actually 3 vanities. 2 vanities with 1 individual sink on each. And this is one of them, of course. As you see, it has very nice, cute sconces. And the faucets, they are wall mount. See, they're coming out from the wall. We had to make the backsplash taller to be able to fit this here. And under mount sink, very nice faucet. The toilet area is here. This toilet area has a very nice feature, which is a very high-end, nice, modern toilet, which is all automatic. Of course, if I show you, it opens by itself, of course. It has a sensor. It has a built-in bidet, seat warmer, and also it has Bluetooth that you can play music on it too. I don't know if you need that or not, but anyway, it's pretty cool. Very nice feature for this bathroom. And then we have here another vanity, which is a makeup area. Nice built-in mirror with built-in LED around it, a mirror, a makeup mirror, magnifying mirror, which as you get close with the sensor, the light comes on. As you see, it lights up. It's pretty nice feature. Again, there was a built-in deck tub here, which we removed it and added a freestanding tub with a freestanding top filler with a handset and handheld. The shower here was a builder size, builder grade shower, was much smaller, was about this small, and even further back we made it bigger. And of course you see the tiling is very nice, the accent of the shower, mosaic tile, which is also in the niche of the back wall over there, which kind of complements and picks the color of the shower floor. The other thing we changed, of course, was the door, which we changed it to a pocket door, because if we had a swing door here, it would have either hit the shower glass or it would have hit the vanity. These pocket doors are very handy. We recommend it highly, because when you open it, it's out of the way, like you have no door, and it makes the space very efficient. Okay, folks, thank you for watching our video again for this new bathroom. We are going to have 2 more videos coming very soon. It's very interesting. Please follow us and let us know if you have any questions or comments. Have a good day. Take care.